Well, hello again. Well, this will be my first official update. I rebuilt the power supply in the old Bally, and look at that. She lights up. Isn't that just cool? So excited. It's still sitting on the floor. I haven't got the legs painted up yet. I was kind of waiting till I got that done. Or I got it to fire up before I put it on legs. But, that's awesome. So far I've counted about 4 bulbs that are burnt out or not working on the playfield. And this bumper right here, the coil is actually burned up and froze. So whoever owned this before me actually just unplugged it. So I'll be getting one of those coils. Luckily they're only about $10, so that's not too bad. And the slingshot right here, whatever they called it, it's not functioning either. So I gotta take that apart and find out what's going on there. But I mean, other than that, I'm very excited. This thing is alive. Okay, well, I'll probably make another video when I get this one up and running further, you know. Pinbot, well, unfortunately I haven't got very far on him. They got some ROMs, and when I received them and installed them in my new board, they didn't boot up. But I saved some of the F14 Tomcat ROMs and put those in that board, and then it booted up. So I'm thinking I got some bad ROMs. So I ordered yet another set of them. They won't be here for a while. So this one's still just chilling. I got some more stuff done on it as far as the visor assembly. But I won't actually be able to really test it out until I get it fired up. But I will. Okay, well, thank you.